Hi, okay, this is the 3D rendering apps, and I have drawn the floor plans. I have designed this to be as simple as possible because it's for a single and a senior lady, and she need more space to maneuver. So as far as I try to keep the furniture to the minimum. So let's have a look in the three-dimension layout. Okay, the room is basic, just a bed and two-door wardrobes. And the living hall will be just a single-seater sofa so that she can have a comfortable sitting when she watch the TV. And because she do some prayers, so I have add a prayer area here, the altar table, and her dining table is on here. Look at the kitchen area. Okay, the kitchen area is I only designed the lower cabinet for her because I don't think she can climb up. So I have designed only the bottom area. Okay, let me move the camera nearer. Okay, so it will be just the fridge and a tall cabinet so she can keep more things, more pantry items, and the tabletop burner and the sink on the other side and a washing machine. You see, it's very simple layout. And let's have a look at the tree. Okay, this is what you can see after I've done the rendering. It's a photo light. It's a very lifelike photo, and I will choose the color that is a bit green and some brown to match the door. So you can see this. Okay, this is the overall, and yeah, this is the kitchen view. This is another view from the walkway from the main door. Yeah, so stay tuned and remember to subscribe to see what we have done for the after the renovation.